It depends a lot on what kind of ad someone is setting for. So there are different objectives of ad, right? You can be setting an ad to drive traffic to your website. You can drive installs of your app, look at driving video views of your app, or you can also drive conversions on the website. So there are multiple different kinds of objectives, right? It also depends on what kind of audience are you bidding, right? Are you bidding for an audience which is a very niche audience looking to buy hi-fi speakers, or are you targeting a very broad audience, let's say someone who's looking to buy a earphone or a smartphone, which is the majority of Indian population, right? Or yeah, and also depends on what kind of industry you are in. If you are in a retail industry, or are you in a real estate market, right? Real estate market definitely will have more people bidding for it and higher ad spends. But on an average, if I were to take a bet, I put a number, I think in India, the average CPMs, the cost per thousand impressions, go anywhere between
Mhm.
30 to say 100 rupees per CPM, and cost per click can be around 3 rupees to 10, 12 rupees, which is on a decent size base and not targeting a very niche base.